down like I was nothing but loyal to you right from the start. You changed up on me as soon as things were getting hard. I've always seen it.
What's up mga Bisaya? Magbuhat mi karon og bag-o nga vlog, Mark Angel Comedy Why. Ikaw na. Pero very good. Ambil. Give me.
Shut up and stop that nonsense and mind your business.
Pinagdagan.
Bye. Because when I was a kid like you, my mommy warned me that if I make that face, I'll be ugly forever.
Alaina.